Today, let's dive into procrastination. Why do so many people struggle to get started on important tasks?
Honestly, I think it's because the brain wants comfort. Starting something big just feels overwhelming sometimes.
That's true. I often feel like my to-do list is a mountain, and the couch is way more inviting.
Exactly. And sometimes we justify delays by thinking we'll do a better job under pressure.
Do you believe that, though? I always tell myself that, but the stress rarely helps.
For me, a little adrenaline can boost focus, but too much just leads to panic and sloppy work.
I read that procrastination isn't just laziness. Sometimes it's a fear of failure or perfectionism.
Oh, perfectionism is a huge one. Waiting for the perfect time means the time never comes.
Right, and the task just grows scarier in our minds. Ever tried breaking tasks into tiny steps?
Yes, it's amazing how writing just one sentence can make starting a report less intimidating.
Small wins matter. I sometimes reward myself for finishing parts of a task, like a coffee break.
I like that, or setting a timer for 10 minutes and promising to work only until it rings.
Have you ever noticed how distractions seem to multiply when you're procrastinating?
Absolutely. Suddenly, even cleaning the fridge becomes urgent. Anything to avoid the real work.
Guilty as charged. My room is never tidier than when I have a deadline.
But sometimes a break can help refresh your mind, as long as you don't lose track of time.
True. It's about balance. Too much pressure or too much relaxation, and nothing gets done.
What do you think about accountability partners? Do they help curb procrastination?
Definitely. Just knowing someone will check in can push you to make progress.
I find public commitment works too. If I tell people my deadline, I feel obligated to meet it.
There's something about not wanting to let others down that really motivates action.
On the flip side, do you think procrastination ever has benefits?
That's an interesting question. Maybe sometimes waiting gives you time to reflect or get better ideas.
I agree, as long as it's intentional and not just avoidance. Some pressure can spark creativity.
So maybe the key is understanding why we're procrastinating. Fear, boredom, perfectionism?
Exactly. Once you know the cause, you can choose the right strategy to overcome it.
In the end, everyone procrastinates sometimes. The goal isn't to be perfect, but to improve.
Absolutely. And maybe forgive ourselves a bit when we slip up. That's important too.
So what's one thing you'll try to stop procrastinating on this week?
I think I'll finally start that book I've been putting off. How about you?
I'll tackle my inbox. No more pretending those emails don't exist.
Good luck. And to our listeners, what's your plan? Let us know, and remember, small steps count.